Welcome to our video about the concept design of a house. Concept design is the initial phase of the building process where we turn your vision into a design that meets your needs and budget. In this video, we'll explain what concept design is, why it's important, and what we do during the concept design stage of building a house in New Zealand. Concept design is the first stage of the building process, where we create a design concept that meets your needs and budget. It involves gathering information about your needs and preferences, conducting a site analysis, and creating design concepts that meet your requirements. Concept design is important because it sets the foundation for the rest of the building process. It ensures that the design meets your needs and preferences and that it is feasible within your budget and timeline. It also ensures that the design complies with the building codes and that it fits the site. The first step in the concept design stage is discovery. We'll meet with you to learn about your lifestyle, family size, and any particular needs or desires you have for your new home. We'll also discuss your budget and timeline. This information will help us create a design that meets your needs while staying within your budget and timeline. The next step is site analysis. We'll visit your property and assess the location, topography, and views. We'll also take into account any zoning, district plan restrictions, or building codes that may affect the design of your home. This information will help us create a design that fits your property and meets all necessary regulations. Using the information we've gathered, we'll create design concepts for your new home. These concepts will include floor plans, elevations, and 3D models. We'll present these to you for your review and feedback. You'll have the opportunity to give us your thoughts on the concepts and let us know which elements you like and dislike. Based on your feedback, we'll refine the design concepts to create a final concept that meets your needs and preferences. We'll work with you to make any necessary changes and finalize the design. We'll also prepare a high-level budget for the new house project. This budget will include an estimate of the total cost of the project, including materials, labor, and any other expenses. This budget will help you to plan your finances and ensure that the project stays within your budget. Once the final design and the initial budget have been approved, we'll create detailed drawings and specifications for your new home. These documents will include everything from floor plans to material specifications. These documents will be used later in consent submission and in the construction of your new home. In conclusion, the concept design stage of a house is an exciting time that sets the stage for the construction of your new home. During this stage, we work with you to create a design that meets your unique needs and preferences, is feasible within your budget and timeline, and complies with the district plans and the building codes. We hope this video has been helpful in explaining what happens during the concept design stage. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us. Thank you for watching.